Manoj Kumar Sharma, you are better than. You have a lot of, good background. So yes, you can achieve. Don't say negative point. Let and like I want to speak English. Yeah, yeah. Just here, everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to share with you wonderful application, and with the help of this application, you can easily improve your English fluency. You can easily be master in English. Believe me, because I have received so many messages from your side, so many phone calls from your side, and there was only one problem, like, ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, and because of this reason, that I have no one, I am not able to speak in English, but I really want to improve my English fluency, but not without having partner, how can I learn this language, how can I practice in English? So friends, don't worry, in today's video I'm going to share with you your partner, your English speaking partner. With the help of this partner, you can easily improve your English fluency, you can master it in English. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you your partner, your English speaking partner. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me a boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay. So yes, the application which I'm going to share with you in this video name is PeerUp. Okay, I have made a video on this particular application before time, but I know there are so many new subscribers. So for the new subscriber, I'm going to share this application again. So now I'm going to show you how to use this application. So application name is PeerUp. So for this, what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write PeerUp, PeerUp, PeerUp. Go to the Play Store and write PeerUp. Okay, so yes, it will ask some information, so you just need to give some information for download. So I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone, so I'm going to just open this application. So yes, when I open, so yes, there is you can see the logo. This is the logo, and okay. Okay, you will find this thing, like when you open this application, you will find this is practice with partner or practice role play. So role play, this is a AI portion, and practice with person, this is a real conversation, the person with whom you can practice in English. Okay, so yes, I'm going to test practice with partner again, and it will ask some inquiry, like which type of partner, human, AI, gender. So I'm going to just okay, any chalega, or start searching, and it takes some time for searching your partner. And yes, this is the best application, believe me, and I have used this application a lot whenever I get some free time. So I use this application. Okay, so it takes some time, so don't worry, and it will ask your speaking partner. So yes, this is the best application, believe me, best application. All the people all over the world, there are so many people, they are using this application, and they have given their feedback. So this is the best application, believe me. Yes. Abujar Latif. Okay, Abujar Latif. Okay, your voice is disturbing, your voice is not clear, can you fix your voice? I'm fine, but your voice is not clear, please fix it. Hello. I'm not hearing you. I'm just going to disconnect this. Voice is not clear. Okay. I'm not. Okay. There is some problem. So don't worry. And just you need to disconnect and start searching partner again. Okay. So if you find this type of problem, so you can go and write voice is not clear, and you can end the call. Okay. Now I'm going to again search partner, and it is Rudra. Okay. So Rudra, uh, uh, how are you? I am fine. How are you, ma'am? I'm also fine, and thank you for asking. And okay. your ID is showing you are studying in school class 11th or 12th. Am I right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Rudra, in which stream are you studying? In which stream do you study?
Ma'am, I am a student of commerce.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I study in 11th class, and my studying is going very well.
Yeah. Good.
And at the same time, I am trying to learn English more better because it may improve my career options.
Yeah, that's good. And definitely, English is very important nowadays. And because we are living in a era where English is very important, each and every career. Okay. So, yes, this is your
Yeah.
good decision. So, Rudra, I just want to ask you a
Yeah.
question. How long have you been using this application?
By the way, ma'am, I go to coaching,
Yeah.
and I have been using the app since 1 month.
Since 1 month.
I
Okay.
downloaded this app before 1 month, and but I don't use this app regularly.
Okay. Okay.
I only use in almost rare of the cases. Like
Hmm.
now I am using
Okay.
because I
So,
have time.
yeah,
I don't
okay.
use this app.
Yeah, I understand you are a student. So, whenever you get some time, so you just use this application. Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. So, I just want to ask you, where are you from, Rudra?
Madhya Pradesh, ma'am.
Oh, Madhya Pradesh. In which district?
Madhya Pradesh and district is Shihor.
Shadol.
No, Shihor.
Sure. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so I'm talking to you from Uttar Pradesh, UP. So we are just like a neighbor, MP or
Yeah,
UP wale. Okay. I think your native language is Hindi because you are from
yeah,
Madhya Pradesh. So you can
yes,
easily
of
know
course.
about Hindi, na?
Yes,
Okay. So, Rudra, what do you want to become in your future time? What do you want to do?
ma'am. I want to I want to do a good job.
So you want to get a good job. Okay. And
Yes,
so
and I
I
want to
just ask you a
purchase.
question. In which profession, in which department there is any
Ma'am,
idea?
I would like to try CA.
CA. Wow, that's good. Because you are a
Yes,
commerce
ma'am.
student, so yes, this is your good choice. Good choice, I can say good choice. So yes, and
Yes. Otherwise, ma'am, we have option like we have business also, marriage garden.
oh, that's good. Wow. So for this, you just need so much money. So have you so much money?
Yes, I don't have, but my father and my background have.
Sound. So you can say you are in a sound position financially, very well.
Well, yes.
Okay, okay. So what does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Okay.
And
In which category? Businessman, in which kind of clothes? Any
marriage,
Mary's
marriage
garden.
garden.
Okay. So do you have your Mary's garden in before? You know?
Yes,
So your father is running your Mary's garden.
yes, and my uncle was in civil service.
Okay. So civil service
Yes,
in which department?
he has retired with
Okay.
police.
Retired from the police
From the
department.
police.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. So that's nice. I just want to say, yes, you have a two option. Okay, you have a two
Yeah,
option. You can get a job, and if there is any problem by getting a job, so yes, there is a option is in open in your in front of you, like you can run your own business. So yes,
yes.
it's very good for you, and I hope you will get your goal, whatever in your mind that you want to achieve. So yes, I hope this year will give you so much opportunity to get a job. So I just want to
By
say
the way,
you, do you think about UPSC clear? Do you think?
ma'am, I like IAS officers,
Yeah.
and I am very inspired with IAS officer because when I heard about them and about their personality, so I think, wow, what a personality,
Yeah.
and what are etiquettes to speak, what are etiquettes to walk, what are etiquettes to do communication with others.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, so I like IAS officers, but as I but I think I am not able to
Hmm.
clear UPSC because I am not more well in studies. That's why I chose commerce.
Only a student in the 11th class, so yes, there is a lot of time in front of you. And if you haven't watched a movie like 12th Fail,
Hmm.
so do you watch
Yes,
that
yes,
movie?
I watched.
Huh. So you can get an inspiration from that movie. So yes, at least you are better than Manoj. I don't Manoj
Manoj
Sharma.
Kumar Sharma.
Manoj Kumar Sharma. You are better than. You have a lot of good background. So yes, you can achieve. Don't say negative point let and like I'm not good in study. I'm not good. No, you are good. You just need to fulfill your hope. If you really want to become a IAS, then just try to think about how to get this job, how to improve our personality, how to change in our body, in our mind, in our attitude. You know.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, that's
Okay.
why, ma'am.
Yeah. So
That's why, ma'am. I want to speak English
yeah,
fluent, and
yes,
that's why I'm.
English is only a medium. It's only a medium. Nowadays it's very important to know about English because what happen if you get a job and you are posting in a place where no one knows about Hindi, that is your native language. So how can you deal your job? How can you perform your attitude? So for this,
Yes,
English is an international language. So for this, we need to know about at least we can deliver our some thoughts and we can understand. That's enough. And yes, it is a language. So slowly it will come to you by using by
yes,
doing
yes,
conversation. So
ma'am.
yes, it will come to you.
Okay.
Okay. So Rudra, it was nice conversation. So do you want to ask some question from me?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so, ma'am, what about you? What are you? What do you do?
Okay, so Rudra, actually, I am a teacher. I am a basic teacher in convent school, and I teach a student who come from the rural family, rural areas, and they are very
Okay.
poor people. So yes, I teach all the students, and I have to teach all the subject. But in class 6 to 8, I teach only English subject. So that's all
Okay.
about
So you
me.
are a ma'am, you are a government teacher.
Yeah, I am a government teacher.
How?
So.
It is very nice.
Oh, actually, I am a government teacher, and my subject actually specialty in English subject because but I don't know how to speak in English. So for this, I'm just using this application, and yes, I get some confidence by using this type of application. So we
Okay.
can say this is only a skill. We can easily improve our personality by learning something new, new skill. I mean to say this is a skill only.
Okay. So, ma'am, it is good, and your communications skills are very well.
Thank you so much. Actually, I'm just trying to speak out a sentence. I'm not worrying about if I make mistake, whatever, people will laugh at me. I'm not thinking about this, nonsense thing.
Yes, you don't take seriously to others.
Yeah, I'm not taking other person who, whatever he is thinking about me or she is thinking about me. I'm just using my work. I just want to
Okay.
learn this language. So yes, initially time it's happened. If I make mistakes, so it's happened. It's a part of learning. It's a
Yes,
part of learning this
it's a
language.
part of learning.
Yeah.
Uh, okay,
So
so, ma'am, what is going on in Uttar Pradesh?
what is going on in Uttar Pradesh? So yes, Yogi Sarkar is doing good, and day by
Yeah,
day, cold is increasing day by
getting up.
day.
Yes.
Yeah. So yesterday, and there was the temperature 6 degree, and it's
Oh,
very cold here.
so meh, 6 degrees is very cold temperature, as I know. And
Yeah.
okay,
So
so
how is the weather in Madhya Pradesh?
yeah, ma'am, it is normal.
It is
But
normal.
in early morning, the temperature decrease.
Okay. Not decrease. Early morning, I think temperature in. Okay. I understand. Yeah. Early morning there is
Yeah,
very cold, and
yeah,
in afternoon, so temperature is rising.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So Rudra, it was a nice conversation with you, and I
Yes,
hope New year will you will get your goal. You will know some new resources, and with the help of those resources you can easily achieve your goal. I think you can
Okay.
easily become a UPSC. You know, you can easily clear your UPSC exam. Believe me.
Okay.
You just need
Thank you.
to faith in yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So okay, have a nice day. I'm leaving this conversation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, so yes, after doing conversation, you just need to submit your feedback, and it will give your feedback. Okay, it will give your feedback, your overall score, your grammar, your vocabulary, your clarity, everything is good. So why are you not using this application? Believe me, this is the wonderful application, and I used this application a lot for improving my English fluency, because I'm just like you. I have no one with whom I can practice in English. But there is a desire inside in my heart, so that's why I found this application, because I want to know some application, how can I improve my English fluency. So when I found this application, I thought, why not share this application with you guys, because you are the person who is watching my channel. So this is my responsibility to suggest these types of application with you guys. Okay, and yes, you can easily improve your English. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.